everybody? Welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. Or is this 4?
4.
4! And we are here at our apartment. We're cleaning it up because we're going to finish decorating it for Vlogmas and Christmas and all that good stuff. That's what we're doing here today. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. If you do, please leave a like down below and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, let's continue on with the video.
Okay, I just have one question.
Yes?
Why are you on the floor upside down?
Because well, first of all, you're on that side of me, so that's why I'm upside down. Second of all, I was on the floor when you started filming.
I sure did, and you just went full on crazy on camera.
And I'm on the floor because I have already been cleaning, and I just wanted to take a little 2-minute lay your body down break.
That's true. You have been cleaning. It looks so clean in here. We just have to decorate.
Yes, we have to decorate. There's some decorations right here, some decorations over there by the corner. Here's a Kaido doggy boy. We have to put the reindeer antlers on him.
Hi, you want to be on the video? Say happy Vlogmas, everyone. Okay, we better get started because as you guys can see, way over there by the door, we have 2 trees we have to put up in our room. I feel like we're just procrastinating.
Yes, we're procrastinating, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Get off my hat.
He's on your hat.
Get off of my hat.
He's like, give me my antlers. Where are they?
Get off of my hat.
What are you? Are you Santa Claus or are you an elf?
I'm Santa Elf. I'm the Santa Claus of the elves. Somebody has to give the elves presents, right? So I'm the Santa Elf.
Ooh, can you pose for a thumbnail right there? Oh.
Okay, nobody.
I think it's the reindeer. He doesn't like the reindeer. Oh. This looks like a Christmas card. Sing again.
Jingle bells, jingle on the way. I did the decor for the bed already, and she said the angles aren't good enough, so she's gonna have to do them. Okay, fine.
Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. We went to sleep really late last night. Now we're gonna continue to decorate, and we are decorating here in our bedroom. As you can see, the mess behind me. Yeah, last night I was exhausted. I don't feel as tired today, but I'm tired. Every year I just forget how hard Vlogmas actually is. It's such a huge responsibility that you take on, but at the end of the day it's so worth it because watching back my Vlogmases are literally like the best memories ever. I'm gonna quickly give you an overview of what we're working with today. I don't know if you guys remembered, but last year we had our tree right there. It was the first time we had a second tree up for the year, and we absolutely loved it, but we're not gonna be putting it there this year. We have just some random decor that we picked up this year here that needs to be rearranged. George was making our bed this morning, and I was like, don't make our bed, just put all the cushions on the bed. Everything that needs to go on here, just put it on there, and then we'll do it on camera. So that's why this is a mess. And this, George just put it up like last week. I don't know what he's doing here, but this is what it looks like. That's gonna go away because basically we're putting up a skinny Christmas tree right here, and then another skinny Christmas tree right here. So they're gonna be replacements for our bedside tables. George is actually out walking Kaido right now, but if he doesn't come back soon, I'm just gonna get started without him, so it's no big deal. Yeah, let's carry on with the decorate with me. You're just bumping everywhere. I love your Christmas sweater.
Yes.
Loser.
It's the winner of the last year's Christmas
No, it's not. You
sweater
lost.
competition.
You lost.
To you, but to everyone else, mine's ugly. It's extra ugly.
So why are you wearing it?
Because it's ugly. Gotta balance out this handsomeness with some ugly.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Can you show them your new haircut? Te es más pelón.
How do you trying to present myself? They're not in my favor.
They really aren't. 7%.
Oh no. Oh no.
Guys, I'm talking about the camera, by the way.
I don't have time for that.
Is this a game to you? Plug it in. 6%. Plug them in. Your tree looks beautiful.
It's because the sun is set. The sun sets, so when the sun sets, all the branches go like this.
Oh, okay, got it. Your tree, look at my tree, guys. Look at George's tree. 5%.
Yes. You did it.
You did it. You did it. All right, now the battery's gone crazy. It has a X on it.
Okay.
Spread out the front ones. Spread out the front ones as much as you can.
Real life time lapse.
Wait, no, you're just being crazy now. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
Why don't we just use the footage from last year?
Right? Let's just. All right, guys, we're just gonna plug in the footage from last year and pretend you didn't see that, and then we'll reveal to you what it looks like.
Yeah, and we have to play it 2 times.
Oh yeah, because it's too.
Because it's too tree. Flip the screen.
But that's not gonna work because the tree was right here.
Oh man.
You take half, and I take half. So go dump these over there. Do they not have the hooks? I thought we put them on last year.
Not all of them had hooks. We didn't put them all on.
Oh yeah, we didn't put all of them on.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bad toys that
cannot wait to show you everything we did this year for our Christmas decor. But tomorrow we will be showing you a full walkthrough of the entire house because we have to clean it up.
Yes.
It's a big old mess in here.
Big old mess.
But yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow in our full Christmas walkthrough. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.